Ever wondered why some signs glow with an ethereal, otherworldly light? You know the ones, those vibrant, eye-catching displays that seem to hum with energy. That's the magic of neon. But neon is more than just a pretty face. It's a fascinating element with a unique set of properties that have revolutionized various fields. So, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of neon and uncovering its surprising applications. Let's start with a little history. Neon was discovered in 1898 by the brilliant minds of Sir William Ramsay and Morris Travers. They were exploring the mysteries of the air, meticulously isolating and identifying its components. And lo and behold, they stumbled upon this new element, a noble gas that emitted a mesmerizing reddish-orange glow when electrified. Now, what makes neon so special? Well, it's all about its electronic structure. Neon has a full outer electron shell, making it incredibly stable and unreactive. This stability translates into some unique properties. Inertness: neon doesn't readily react with other elements, making it safe and reliable for various applications. Glow in the dark: when an electric current passes through neon gas, it excites the electrons. As these electrons return to their ground state, they release energy in the form of light. This phenomenon, known as luminescence, is what gives neon its signature glow. Versatility: neon can be mixed with other gases to create a dazzling array of colors, from vibrant reds and oranges to cool blues and greens. Now, let's explore the diverse applications of this fascinating element. Neon signs: this is undoubtedly the most iconic use of neon. Those dazzling, hand-bent glass tubes have illuminated our streets and captivated our imaginations for decades. Neon signs are not only visually stunning but also incredibly durable and energy efficient. Lighting: beyond signs, neon finds applications in various lighting solutions. From airport runway lights to high-voltage indicators, neon's bright and long-lasting glow enhances safety and visibility. Lasers: neon plays a crucial role in the development of powerful lasers. Neon helium lasers, for example, are widely used in scientific research, medical procedures, and industrial applications. Vacuum tubes: neon is used in vacuum tubes to improve their performance and stability. Refrigeration: neon's low boiling point makes it an effective refrigerant, particularly in cryogenic applications. As technology continues to evolve, so too do the potential applications of neon. Researchers are constantly exploring new ways to harness its unique properties. From advanced lighting technologies to novel medical treatments, the future of neon looks bright. With its captivating glow and unique properties, neon has undeniably left its mark on the world. From the dazzling lights of Times Square to the cutting-edge research laboratories, neon continues to illuminate our lives in countless ways. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.